Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Bhargav from Essential InfoSec. Welcome to this video. I'm going to tell you about how to download Kali Linux on your desktop. Kali Linux is a Debian derived Linux software by Offensive Security and it's an open source tool. So let's get started. First, you need to download a virtual machine just like I have Oracle virtual machine right here before the installation of the Kali Linux. And after that, you may go to the site kali.org for downloading the ISO file of the Kali Linux. Then download apps, and then from here you can download the latest 2020.4 version of the Kali Linux system. So once you have downloaded the file, ISO file will look like this: Kali Linux 2020.4 ISO. So this is our ISO file. Now go to your virtual machine and just ignore them. These are my previous one. Click on the new tab, write a name here, like I'm typing Kali Linux. You may give any name to that, and the default folder will be C Linux, and the version will be Debian 64. Remember this, Debian 64-bit. Click on the next button. Now the memory size. Now it says the recommended memory size is 1024 MB. So we're gonna increase this to 2048. You may give more than that also. Click on next. This will be just default one. Next. This also the default one, VirtualBox disk image. Next. The file dynamically allocated. Yes. Next. Now I'm gonna give a little more of the memory to it, like around 25. Yeah, 25 GBs enough. So I'll click on create. So now see, our file has been created. You may go to the settings. After that, go to the storage one and just click on this disk image type kind of thing, empty one, and from here go to choose a disk file, and in this you will choose your ISO file, the Kali Linux file which you have just installed. So you open it. Okay, it's done, and rest you can just check all of the systems are good or not, display and all that. Yeah. Click on the OK button. Now your system has been configured kind of, but not installed yet. So let's go to the start. Once you have clicked the start button, the machine will operate and the installation will be done. It will take some time, so be patient. Yeah, now see, this is a dialog box which has been arrived. So we are going to click the ISO file in this and we're going to click start. Now it will take some time. It will start the virtual machine right in here, like this. So we can just, oops, okay, yeah. So it will start installing the Kali Linux. It will take a lot of time here. Let it complete. You don't have to enter or you don't have to press any button. It will be done automatically. Just wait. Yeah, okay. See, now it says select a language, so English. Yeah, continue. Select a location. I'm right now in India, so yeah, India. Continue. Then it will say American English and all, whatever you like. Just continue this. Detecting hardware to find this installation media. Okay. Now it will automatically do all the scanning and the installation part. So just wait for it. Now this step will take a lot of time, like literally a lot of time. So be patient. It will happen in like either in a minute or an hour, whatever. So it's going good. So here I have just cut shorted, and the installation is, the components of the installation media is complete. Now it will be moved to the further step, which is detecting network hardware. Like I said, you don't need to press enter or any key. It will automatically be done. Just wait for the installation. It will actually install step by step all the features needed for the working of this operating system. So like it's going good. Okay, now it's asking for our host name, so I'll just give the Kali, continue. Then domain name, you can skip this also, or you can just write Linux here. Then configure the network. Okay, now the full name for the new user. So right now I want to give my name to it. Continue. Yeah, same, continue. Choose a password for the new user. So you can give any password to it, like now we enter. Okay, now move to the next step, continue. All the users and passwords are being set up. Setting up the clock. These are small parts of the installation. Okay. Just don't press any key or something, it will just happen automatically. Due to the time constraint, I'm just forwarding it. Okay, now it's asking for the partition disk. We'll choose this one, use the entire disk and set up LVM, local virtual machine. Continue. Then the default one will be good. And now this one, yeah, recommended for new users, so yeah, we can do this. Continue. Write the changes to the disk and configure LVM. Yes, we do want the changes. Continue. Okay, this is the same volume which we have given before also, so let it be and continue. Now it will start up the main installation part. Okay, now yes, do it to this. Now it is installing the base system and it will take some time for it. I'm just forwarding the video. This will consume a lot of time. Okay, so it's almost to the end, and to my surprise it happens actually quickly this time. So it's almost done. Just a few moments more. So yeah, it's the installing of the base system. It actually takes time. This is the most time-taking process of the whole installation. So the installation was done, guys, and this is now configure the package manager. Now it's configuring the apt. It's also done. There will be small steps before the actual installation. Select and install the software and it will automatically do. It will also take time. So after that, this screen is visible to us. Now we'll just click the default, just continue and let it install the software. So here our installation step is completed and click on the continue. Then you must let the system reboot itself. It's just taking some time. Now don't press any key or enter or something. The grub is now loading. This is the Kali interface which will be booting automatically. And now our system is booted and the Kali Linux is now installed properly. After completion, you will get something like this screen. Now you can log in with the name given. Remember, I had given this name and then the password. So now you have successfully installed Kali Linux to your system, and this is the interface of it. So in the end, I just want to say be safe, be careful for what you do. Please like and subscribe the video. Thank you.